I am up early. Maybe that's why my flash came on. About to make my coffee. I love this cup. I believe I got this cup from like a dollar store. It says Hustle on both sides. The other side, let's see, did it say Hustle on the side? Yep, just different colors. But anyway, I always drink my coffee with a straw. And this is my area. I gotta refill my syrups. My little coffee bar, coffee/sweets bar. Up here in this cabinet I have like a lot of my baking stuff and snacks that you can have with your coffee. And I have a lot of these stir spoons. I just use this for sugar. That's why it looks like that, to put sugar in my cup. Now I just wanted to, basically, I'm talking too much. I just came to show y'all my coffee that I got. I ordered it from Walmart. It's pecan praline, and you can definitely just drink it like that with your creamer, or if you like your coffee black, you know, it's so good. I probably could drink this black. I probably could literally drink this black without sugar. It's the bomb. It's so good. It's the right, strain. It's not too weak. It's not too strong. Then I put like a little splash of my vanilla creamer in here, vanilla caramel, and my amaretto. And the reason why I'm doing that too is because I have no more of my almond roca syrup. It's so good. Now usually I'll just take some regular Folgers coffee, put a little of the almond roca syrup in it, some half and half, some regular creamer, and it'd be the bomb. But for some reason these flavors right here together with this, I mean, y'all gotta try it. And my other coffee is this here, my caramel drizzle. Now I could just drink the caramel drizzle with some vanilla creamer, or the vanilla caramel creamer. I think I want to be a barista, y'all, because these flavors I be creating are so good. My coffee's finishing up there. It's finishing up. That's that noise you hear there. I'm stirring it up, and I only put I put 2 teaspoons of sugar, which is a lot because I have the creamers and they are already sweet as well. So just wanted to show y'all. Have a great weekend, great Saturday mornings. Greedy Beauty's Flavor Factory, and I'm out.